One of the most useful features on modern smartphones like the Galaxy S26 Ultra is Wi-Fi calling. This feature lets you make and receive calls even when your cellular signal is weak, as long as your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. And while it's called Wi-Fi calling, your phone can also let you choose how it handles calls when both Wi-Fi and mobile network coverage are available. So in this video, I'll show you how to turn Wi-Fi calling on or off, how to change its calling preference, and what this feature actually does. First, open the Settings app. Then, tap Connections. From here, look for Wi-Fi calling. To enable the feature, simply tap the switch beside it. If the switch turns on, Wi-Fi calling is now enabled on your phone, and if you want to disable it, just tap the switch again. Now, if you tap Wi-Fi calling itself, you may see more options depending on your carrier. One of the most useful options here is the calling preference. By default, Wi-Fi preferred may already be selected. This makes sense because most users turn on Wi-Fi calling when they have poor cellular signal, especially indoors. With Wi-Fi preferred, your phone will try to use Wi-Fi for calls whenever possible. This can be helpful if you're at home, inside an office, in a basement, or in a building where cellular signal is weak, but Wi-Fi is stable. You may also see an option like Mobile Network Preferred. When this is selected, your phone will prioritize the mobile network first and use Wi-Fi calling only when needed. This is useful if your cellular signal is already strong and reliable. But if you're inside the house with stable Wi-Fi and weak mobile signal, using Wi-Fi preferred can give you a more stable calling experience. It may also help reduce battery drain in areas where your phone keeps searching for a stronger cellular signal. Now let's answer some of the questions you may have right now. Can Wi-Fi calling on the Galaxy S26 send text messages too? Yes, Wi-Fi calling can also let you send and receive text messages over Wi-Fi depending on your carrier. This is helpful when cellular service is weak or unavailable, but your phone is still connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Do I need a separate app to use Wi-Fi calling? No, you do not need a separate calling app. Once Wi-Fi calling is enabled, it works through the normal phone app on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can call people the same way you normally would. Does Wi-Fi calling use my regular phone number? Yes. Wi-Fi calling still uses your regular mobile number. So that's how Wi-Fi calling works on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you often have poor signal indoors, this is one feature worth turning on.